Can we save private Telegram photo in phone gallery? Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, we'll discuss if we can save private Telegram photo or video in phone gallery. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So before we begin, actually you will need to upgrade your Telegram if you haven't yet. So yeah, you will first need to update it from your app store. Head over to your app store and simply search for Telegram. And after you search for Telegram, just download or update your Telegram if you have not yet. After that, you can simply open it up. After doing that, you can head over to your private. After you're there, what you can do is, after you're on your private Telegram group, what you'll have to do is just select the picture, and after you do that, on the top right you will see three dots. So simply tap on the three dots, and there you'll find an option to save image or video in according to your case. Now all you have to do is tap on save image or video, and it will get saved to your photos. So it's that simple. Now I hope this answers your question that you can actually save your Telegram private photo in phone gallery. So thanks for watching guys. That's basically all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.